Programming has always been about logic, creativity, and precision. It's a field where every line of code matters, and every decision can have a significant impact on the final product. But what if you had a powerful ally, an AI assistant that could understand your code and help you write better software? Imagine having a tool that not only assists you, but also learns and evolves with you. Introducing GPT, a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we code. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's a powerful language model trained on a massive data set of text and code. This extensive training allows it to understand and generate human-like text, making it incredibly versatile. This means GPT can understand your coding needs and assist you in ways you never thought possible. It can adapt to your style and preferences, making your coding experience smoother and more intuitive. Imagine having a tireless coding partner who can generate code snippets, find and fix errors, and even suggest improvements to your code. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never tire, and even suggest improvements to your code. This can be especially helpful when you're stuck or need a fresh perspective. That's the power of GPT. It's not just about writing code, it's about enhancing your entire coding process. It's like having a senior developer by your side, guiding you, and helping you become a more efficient and confident programmer. The AI can provide insights and suggestions that you might not have considered. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, GPT can be an invaluable tool. It levels the playing field, giving everyone access to advanced coding assistance. It can help you save time, reduce errors, and streamline your workflow. The reduction in errors alone can save countless hours of debugging and troubleshooting, and ultimately become a more productive and skilled programmer. Increased productivity means more time to focus on creative and complex aspects of your projects. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the specific ways GPT can revolutionize your coding workflow. From automating repetitive tasks to providing intelligent code suggestions, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to unlock a new level of coding efficiency and creativity with the power of GPT. The future of coding is here, and it's more exciting than ever. One of the most impressive capabilities of GPT is its ability to generate code. It's like having a coding assistant that can understand your instructions and write code for you. You can provide GPT with a simple description of what you want your code to do, and it can generate the corresponding code snippet in your desired programming language. For instance, let's say you're working on a Python project and need to write a function that sorts a list of numbers in ascending order. Instead of manually writing the sorting algorithm, you can simply ask GPT, generate a Python function to sort a list in ascending order. GPT will then generate a Python function that looks something like this. Def sort underscore list underscore to underscore sort. This is just a simple example, but GPT can generate much more complex code snippets, including functions, classes, loops, and conditional statements. You can even specify the programming language, libraries, and frameworks you're using, and GPT will tailor the generated code accordingly. This ability to generate code can be a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on the more creative and challenging aspects of programming. Moreover, GPT can also suggest optimizations and improvements to your existing code, making it more efficient and robust. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, Java, or any other language, GPT's versatility ensures that you have the right code at your fingertips. This collaborative approach between human and AI can lead to innovative solutions and faster development cycles. Additionally, GPT can generate documentation and comments for the code it writes, enhancing readability and maintainability. Integrating AI-generated code into your larger projects becomes seamless, allowing you to build complex applications with ease. As you provide feedback, GPT learns and improves, becoming an even more valuable tool in your programming toolkit. The future of coding is here, and with AI like GPT, the possibilities are endless. Embrace this technology and unlock new levels of productivity and creativity in your coding journey. Bugs are the bane of every programmer's existence. They can be frustrating, time-consuming to find, and even more challenging to fix. However, with GPT, debugging becomes a less daunting task. GPT can assist you in identifying and resolving errors in your code, making your debugging process faster and more efficient. One way GPT can help is by analyzing your code for potential errors. You can simply paste your code snippet into GPT and ask it to find potential errors in this code. GPT will then scan your code for syntax errors, logical errors, and even potential performance bottlenecks. It can also suggest solutions or workarounds for the identified issues, helping you fix them quickly and effectively. Moreover, GPT can help you understand complex error messages. When you encounter a cryptic error message that you can't decipher, you can ask GPT to explain this error message. Paste error message. GPT will then provide a clear and concise explanation of the error message, helping you understand the root cause of the problem and how to fix it. Every programmer knows the pain of repetitive tasks and boilerplate code and creativity.